Hey everyone, welcome to our channel today. We're going to talk about something super interesting and important, our tummies. More specifically, we're going to learn about leaky gut. Now, you might be wondering, what's a leaky gut? Let's dive in and find out. Imagine your tummy is like a castle with a strong wall protecting it. This wall, called your gut lining, keeps all the bad stuff out while letting all the good stuff, like nutrients from your food, come in. But sometimes, this wall can get tiny little holes in it, kind of like if the castle wall had cracks. When this happens, it's called a leaky gut. Now you will wonder, why does this happen? There are a few reasons why these tiny holes can appear in your gut lining. Imagine if you eat too much junk food, like candy and chips, or if you're really stressed out all the time. It's like throwing rocks at the castle wall. Eventually, it might start to crack. Another thing that can cause these cracks is not having enough good bacteria in your tummy. These good bacteria are like the castle guards, keeping everything in order and fighting off the bad guys. How can you tell if you have a leaky gut? You might not see the holes, but you can feel the effects. If you often have tummy aches, feel tired, or get sick a lot, it could be your body trying to tell you that your gut needs some help. It's like if the castle started letting in invaders because of the cracks in the wall, everything inside would feel a bit chaotic and out of sorts. What can you do to help? The good news is you can help fix those cracks with the help of food and make your gut walls strong again. Here's how. 1. Bone broth, liquid gold for gut healing. Bone broth is not just a trendy health elixir, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that can nourish and repair your gut lining. When bones simmer in water for an extended period, they release collagen, amino acids like glycine and proline, minerals like calcium and magnesium, and gelatin. These components work synergistically to heal and seal the gut lining, reducing inflammation and promoting overall gut health. Picture yourself sipping a warm mug of golden bone broth, feeling its soothing effects as it supports your digestive system. Incorporating bone broth into your daily routine can be as simple as enjoying a cup as a snack or using it as a base for soups and stews. Whichever way you choose, your gut will thank you for this liquid gold. 2. Fermented foods, nature's probiotics for gut balance. If you want to cultivate a thriving gut microbiome, fermented foods should be your best friends. Sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, yogurt, and kombucha are all examples of fermented foods rich in probiotics. These beneficial bacteria help restore and maintain a healthy balance in your gut, enhancing digestion and absorption of nutrients. Imagine your gut as a bustling city, with probiotics as friendly residents keeping everything running smoothly. Adding a variety of fermented foods to your diet introduces diverse strains of beneficial bacteria, strengthening your gut's resilience against harmful pathogens and supporting your overall well-being. 3. Leafy greens. When it comes to gut health, leafy greens are nutritional powerhouses. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens are packed with fiber, vitamins such as A, C, and K, minerals including iron and calcium, and phytonutrients. Fiber, in particular, acts as a prebiotic, fueling the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut. Envision a vibrant salad loaded with colorful greens, topped with nutrient-rich ingredients like avocado, nuts, and seeds. Each bite not only delights your taste buds, but also nourishes your gut microbiome, promoting regular bowel movements, reducing inflammation, and supporting a healthy immune system. 4. Ginger and turmeric, anti-inflammatory heroes for gut healing. Spices like ginger and turmeric are not only culinary delights, but also potent anti-inflammatory agents. Gingerol in ginger and curcumin in turmeric exhibit anti-inflammatory properties, calming down gut inflammation and soothing digestive discomfort. Close your eyes and imagine a warm cup of ginger turmeric tea, its golden hue and aromatic fragrance comforting your senses. Incorporating these spices into your cooking adds depth of flavor and therapeutic benefits to your meals, making them not only delicious, but also gut-friendly. 5. Omega-3. Rich foods, omega-3 fatty acids, are nourishment for a happy gut found abundantly in fatty fish like salmon, as well as in chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts, are essential for gut health. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, support the gut lining, and promote a balanced immune response. Visualize a colorful plate featuring grilled salmon drizzled with omega-3 rich flaxseed oil, accompanied by a side of quinoa and roasted vegetables. This nutrient-packed meal not only satisfies your taste buds, but also nourishes your gut, contributing to long-term gut health and overall well-being. 6. Coconut products, MCTs, for gut nourishment. Coconut products such as coconut oil, coconut milk, and shredded coconut are rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. These fatty acids are easily digestible and provide a quick source of energy for your cells, including the cells lining your gut. Picture yourself enjoying a creamy coconut milk smoothie or using coconut oil in your cooking to add a hint of tropical flavor. The MCTs in coconut products support gut health by reducing inflammation, enhancing nutrient absorption, and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. 7. Bone broth protein powder. If you're looking for a convenient way to boost your gut health, consider incorporating bone broth protein powder into your diet. This powdered form of bone broth retains all the gut-healing nutrients in a convenient package, making it easy to add to smoothies, soups, or baked goods. Imagine blending a scoop of bone broth protein powder into your morning smoothie, enhancing its nutritional value and promoting gut healing with every sip. Whether you're on the go or simply prefer a quick and easy option, bone broth protein powder can be a valuable addition to your gut health regimen. Congratulations on taking the first step towards healing your gut naturally. By incorporating these top 7 foods into your diet, you're not only supporting your gut health, but also nurturing your overall well-being. We hope you found this journey insightful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, remember that a healthy gut is the foundation